Yes, today Mr. Oswald is taking me through search engine optimization and how we can work on our SEO and readability for different courses and units. Mr. Oswald, are you there?
I'm there, sir.
Okay, you can start.
Okay, thank you. So today we are going to share how we can improve on our SEO. Apparently, if you check on mine, it is now 18 out of 100. So we want to see how we can improve it at least 80 plus or 90.
Okay, that
So
would be great.
So what I've already done first, I first check for what is missing. I just move down, I scroll down. I come to this part where they're asking for the focus keyword. I see it is missing. This part it is here. So I see that is missing. Then I continue. I also check for other errors. If you look at basic SEO, we have 5 errors. Additional, we have 7. All those ones need to be fixed. Then title readability, we have 4. All these are errors that we need to fix. Then for content readability, we are now okay. That is why we have all green. So what I've always done, now I first look for the suitable focus keyword. So what you do, you just come to your title. Come to your title. For example, my title is Measurement of Concentration and Introduction to Volumetric Analysis. So you don't need to copy all this. You can also, if you have time, you can.
You are breaking.
I think it is my network. How about there? Am I now clear?
Yes.
Hello. All right. So I was saying that you can check through your work. Maybe you see which word is appearing many times, because the longer your content, then also the density of your keyword keeps on changing. If you have a lot of work, then it also goes higher. So you need to look through and you see which words do you want to be the keyword. So for my case, I want to use the word concentration. So I'll just copy the words. I come to SEO. I want to paste it there. So I just paste. You see, now we have moved from 18 to 69. That is just pasting that word, and we are not it there. We are not it there. We can even add more. We can even add more words. We can even add more words which we are going to act as our keywords. I can maybe say volumetric analysis. I copy, I go down and paste it here. So I can add it here. Other times you can even type in the words. Let's say chemistry, then it can start searching. But since I have my title, so once again, after adding the seconds, now I've gone to 71. Remember, we said that we need around 90 or 85 minimum. So let's continue. Then I can also add another one. Maybe I can say measurement of concentration. Measurement of concentration. I add it there. We are still on the focus keyword. I paste it. Okay, that is okay. So we can start from there. Then we go back and check our errors. If you now look at the basic SEO, we have now one error remaining. and that is the focus keyword is not found in the meta description. So here what we do, we look for the main focus keyword, and this is the one which has a star. The one is the main one. This is the one that enabled us to reach this far. So it is the one I'm going to copy. Then I put at least in my meta description. So let's go there. So for me, what I've been doing, since I want this whole thing to appear under the meta description, I'll just come to, I'll copy this whole thing. Then I bring it to my meta description. Meta description is this side. This site was a bit updated and a few things changed. We used to see meta description on this page, but now it is under edit snippet. So what I will do, I will just click there, then I come to description, then I paste. The use of this is that when you use a description, this is how it looks like. If you use a phone, you just click here. So if someone searches for my work, this is how it will look on the phone. If it is a computer, it will look like that. So it is important also put something interesting in this description. Then I go on. Now we are now on 73. We are now on 73. So we are moving slowly. Then I check again. If you check on basic SEO, I am now all good. My word is they are 2083, and I say good job. We move on. Then they are saying that the focus keyword not found in the subheadings, like
yeah,
H2.
I see with basic SEO we are okay.
All right. So now I'm going to work on these errors of additional. So these are 5 errors. So we can work on them. So I'll start with the first one, where we are having, they are saying that the focus keyword not found in the subheadings, H2, H3, or H4. So here what I will do, I will just come up. It is supposed to be in the heading. So what I can do, I can press enter. This one goes down so I can create some space. So I can copy this whole thing. Then I paste it. Then I make it like heading 2. I make it heading 2. After making it heading 2, maybe I can put in the center. If you are to check now, we have moved from 73 now to 70, 76. So we move on. So that one is done. Let's check for the error if it has disappeared. The error is gone. So now they are saying add. We are now here. Add an image with your focus keyword as the alt text. So the alt text is just to help in case if someone is blind, it is just help describe your picture. So what you need to do is to add your focus keywords. And our focus keyword, the main one is concentration. So I will just come here in my title. I copy the word concentration. Then I look for any image if I have one. Yeah, like this. I click on it. Then I edit the photo. I edit. After editing, this is where they are saying that I should put the alternative text, or what they are calling alt text. So after that, I just paste it there. Then I update. It is now updated. Or in case the picture was not there, you can choose where you want it to be. And then you come to media. After coming to media, then you go to, maybe if you have it somewhere, you go to upload files. If it's not in the media library, you just come, maybe if we clicked on this, we click. So you can as well put it here. You can as well put it here. So normally I always have the default because most of these pictures we get them from the internet. So they always come with their old text. So I can remove this and put mine. That is another way. But so far we have already put it. So we check. We are now on 78. So we are like 12 to go, or maybe 3 or 5. But the good thing is that we still have a lot to correct. Then from here, I go back and check what is remaining. I go down. You can see that my URL is 95 characters. Yet it's supposed to be around 70. So consider shortening it. Members, I'm here. So what I will do, or what I've already done, I will just come to the snippet, which is up here, and I try to reduce. Times I would reduce here. Make sure that I have the 75. So 5 to go. Let me see how it is now. It is now 80. I go back. But later on, make sure when you're editing it or when you're reducing it, it remains with a meaning. It remains with the meaning. So yeah, I can say, I can remove this. I can say concentration and volumetric analysis. Concentration and volumetric analysis. Now I'm at 64. So when you go back, wow, it is gone. They are now 64 characters. Let's check on our SEO. It is now 82. It's already in green. Let's check out this is also okay. But
yeah,
we still
I
have
can
some
see
errors
it's
that we
okay.
can. But we
Let's first go to additional errors and we check a few.
okay. So we still have some other errors to check. Oh, that one we can.
Yeah, so we basically need to put an internal link. Okay. So get one of the units and link it to this unit. It will it will drive us to about 86, if not 90. So go on the course. You go
on the course.
No, actually, you tap on this unit that is opened. The other unit, the first unit here. Go to that unit.
I'm there.
And then, no, up. Scroll up on top. Scroll on top. Continue to the beginning. Now, I want you to copy this link. Right click there and copy link address. Copy link address. Okay. Yes. Then go to our unit, the other side.
Then
Are you there?
I'm there.
Then yeah, select one word and add a link there.
So I can select this one, then I add the link.
Yes.
So we are now on 87. And Mr. Kako, maybe another way.
You can update.
I update.
After, yeah, if you update, we may get even a better SEO than that. So that some elements are updated. So first make an update.
Okay.
Yes, you were saying that another way?
Another way, the way I've been doing it, if you highlight, for example, if I came and highlighted this word, and I come to insert link,
Yes,
I
you
can
can
search
search.
for the course.
Yes.
I
Yeah,
think
you
that
can
is
search for
a
the
bit
course.
fast.
You can search for the units from there.
So all these are mine. So you can choose one of them depending on what you
Yeah.
have.
Mm.
So we are now updating. It has updated. We are now at 87, but still we have some errors that we can correct.
Yeah, you can correct some errors, but at least here, this is a good picture for those who need SEO to be done on their units and courses. If you reach 81, your SEO will be in green, and that is better. So you can strive to attain even 100, but at least 80 plus is a good one.
Okay. So now we are missing, they are saying that your SE title does not contain a number. That one is easy. Normally, I would come here. I can say maybe CHEM, which is for senior 6. I can say CHEM. CHEM, maybe CHEM 6, since it's for senior 6. The moment you finish, now we are on 88. Then we are remaining with the positive or negative sentiment. What? So basically, these ones. Mr.
Yes,
Gakwa.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Basically, these ones are just attractive words, attractive or maybe discouraging words, persuasive words. So you can look for, we have examples. You can click here, open a new tab, then you look at the words that can match what you want. So they will give you examples. You look through, you read, then you look for that word that can fit your course or your unit. So for me, I've been using, at times I would come and say, I come to my title, I come and say that I can say maybe made easy. Meaning that measurement of concentration and introduction to geometric analysis made easy. So these two words, they would add, meaning that there are two words. One of them is
which other words can we use apart from made easy? You can highlight a few.
There is like simplified, amazing, mind-blowing. I think according to the content you have in unit, to also go for the right word or the right persuasive word. So we are now at 9.
Yes.
We are now at 9. Let's go back and check what is remaining. So we have only one error remaining, and that is contents all. I think this one needs.
So wait, did we first scroll down? Did we handle which power word have you used?
The power word I've used, I think it is made. Easy. No, the word easy.
Easy. Then made was for the, is it a sentiment?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is good. At least 90 we are okay. So other colleagues can get a leaf from this example and improve our units and courses. Thank you, Teacher Oswald.
You are welcome. Or I'm welcome.